morning, fifth grade. Today we are on chapter 2, lesson 6, and we are using partial products and the distributive property. Let's go to draw it. Darnell and his 4 friends went to an ice skating rink and bought sandwiches. They divided the total cost and found that each person needs to pay $17. What was the total cost for ice skating and sandwiches? Find 5 times 17 using an area model. Step 1, label the model to find partial products. We are taking apart this 17 into its tens place and its ones place and multiplying 5 by each. So if we multiply 5 by the tens place, we would be multiplying 5 times 10, right? Because we have a 1 in the tens place. 5 times 10 is 50. In the ones place, we have a 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Step 2, add the partial products. Okay. 50 plus 35 equals 85. So the total cost for ice skating and sandwiches was $85. When you use partial products, you are using a property. A property is a rule in mathematics that can be applied to all numbers. The property that you applied above is called the distributive property. You will learn more about this property in the next lesson, but also you learned about the distributive property last year as well. Let's try it. Find 7 times 56 using an area model. Step 1, label the model to find partial products. Right? So in the tens place, we have a 5, so that's value. So the value of that digit is 50. In the ones place, we have a 6. So the value of that digit is 6. Now, 7 times 50, here we are multiplying 7 times 50, and here we are multiplying 7 times 6. To find 7 times 50, I'm going to notice that that is a power of 10. 7 times 5 is 35. And I'm going to transfer that 0. 350. 7 times 6 is 42. If I add up those partial products, I then get 392. So 7 times 56 is 392. Let's talk about it. Number 1, draw a conclusion. How do area models show partial products? The area models separate one factor into a sum based on place value. Right? That's the part where we take one of the factors apart into the tens and the ones place. Each addend is multiplied by the other factor to find a part of the total product. Number 2, in finding 7 times 56 above, why does the area model separate 56 into 50 and 6? It is easier to multiply 7 times 50 and 7 times 6 mentally because we are able to use the power of 10 and our basic math facts to multiply them mentally. Find 6 times 36 using partial products. Label the model to help you solve. Show your work. Okay, the first factor is 6. I'm going to separate the number 36 into the tens place, where there is currently a 3. So the value of that 3 is 30. And in the ones place, a 6. So for this box, I'm multiplying 6 times 30 And for this box, I am multiplying 6 times 6. Six times 36 is equal to 6 times 30 plus 6 times 6. If I multiply those add-ins out, 6 plus 30 is 180. 6 times 6 is 36. When I add those together, I get 216. That concludes your direct instruction for today. Go ahead and work on Practice It on page 115 and continue on to Apply It on page 116. Have a good day. See you soon.